Hi, my name is Johnathan Smith. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick introduction to how to use Gradle and also how to make a runnable jar using Gradle. It's going to be a quick tutorial, but it'll give you the basic understandings of Gradle if you're new to it. First thing that I would like to recommend you to do is to go to my website, JohnathanMarkSmith.com. I have a blog there and I will post all these documents onto the blog, and I'll let you follow along. Also, for this demonstration, I'm basically going to be using my blog to go over it. So, let's get into how to create a runnable jar with Gradle. A lot of people are new to Gradle, and I came from a Maven background, and I loved Maven for a lot of years, but I started to see the light when I started using Gradle. If you look at Gradle project structure, it looks just like a Maven project structure, as you could see here. There's a source-main Java, a source-main resource, a source-test Java, and a source-test resource. It looks exactly like a Maven project, but it's a Gradle project. That's one of the things that turned me on. I can move my Maven projects to Gradle pretty quickly without doing a lot of work. So to start this example, make a directory called runnable jar. As you can see, I have one already in my terminal. Then I CD into the runnable jar. From there, I create the project structure or the project layout that looks just like a Maven project. I create the source main Java, the source main resource, and the source test resource. Now, from that point, you want to make the package structure for the main Java class. And for this, I'm using Johnathan Mark Smith Gradle. And as you can see, if we go into here, let's go to my source main Java. And let's just actually VI that file just so you could see it. And actually, you can now see this is my main class. It's a pretty simple application. It has static void main, and it just says hello world. That's basically what we're going to try to get to the output today. So let's close that class and go back to the root of the project. Okay, so now I'm in the root again. From the root, as you see on my notes here, okay, this, as you see, my file looks exactly like the one online. Now, let's create a Gradle build file. It's actually build.gradle file. It's same thing as the POM in Maven. But I'm telling you, you're really going to like it. So let's go into VI build Gradle. Now, as you can see, from the file, and now I'm going to show it in the file, but it's on my website too. Gradle has a plugin that lets it know that it's a Java project. So right there, I applied the plugin Java. Right there, this tells Gradle that this is a Java project, where to find the source, and what to do with it. Now I'm going to tell Gradle that I want to build a jar file with this name, with this version. But in the manifest file, I want to have the main class set to my hello world. This is so Gradle now knows how to make the runnable jar. So now that we have that, let's just close it. Close it, okay? So now it's closed. And as you see, if you're following along on my website, that's the example right there. Now, let's build this project, but you know, since I ran it once before, I just want to do a clean. Just like I would do with Maven. I always like to start off clean. Okay, so as you see, my clean was... Now, let's do a Gradle build. Okay, and you can see it's doing everything. Okay, so basically, if you look here, Gradle compiled my Java, processing resources up to date. There was nothing to do. It built my classes, did my jars, it did the assembling, it did my testing that really wasn't any. Did a test, a check, and a build. So now we should have a build directory that will have everything in it. So if you want to run this jar file to see if it works, what I do is, because the jar file is going to be in the build lib directories with the name we gave it in the version, you say java-jar and the location of it. And right there's your hello world of samples. That was pretty easy, right? All this is quick and easy. This is why I started loving Gradle. It makes your project easier, and it will be a lot better to do builds with. Again, go to JonathanMarkSmith.com for more examples of this, or feel free to send me an email. Thank you.